first thing that you're going to want to do is turn on professional mode on your personal profile. Why? Because when you use your personal profile in professional mode, Facebook will give you the highest reach, the most visibility possible without paid ads. So this is the best way that you can set yourself up using your personal profile in professional mode to reach the most amount of people and grow your audience and potential clients organically. Organically means without paid ads. And something to note here is this is a fact. This is not my opinion. When I have coached people to use their personal profile, I have come across so much resistance. People are really hanging on to thinking that they need to use a business page and that will make them look more professional, or I don't really know what. I think it's because back in the day, the business page used to be like the thing for businesses, okay? But that was when there were only two options, when it was either use your personal profile or have a business page. So professional mode is a relatively new feature that is really like a blend of the two. It's like the best of both worlds. Your personal profile is for personal use to share pictures and stay connected to family and friends, okay? Facebook will push out your content to your friends. So that's how the algorithm works. You have your friends who are just people that you know in real life or that you've met online, whatever. And whenever you make a post, you're writing something funny or sharing a meme or sharing a video or posting your own pictures of your kids, Facebook will push that content to your friends in your network, okay? Over here is the business page. This is for established businesses who want to use paid ads, okay? Facebook only pushes out your content when you pay for ads. That's how they make money here, okay? Now, professional mode is like the sweet spot. Like I said, it's like the best of both worlds. So this is for business use, and Facebook will push out your content to everyone. So they literally support your organic growth. Professional mode is going to give you the best chance at being seen not only by your friends that you already have on Facebook, but also to new eyeballs, people who are totally new to you, okay? So why would Facebook support your organic growth? Let me break it down a little bit further so you understand. So at the end of the day, social media platforms like Facebook, they want attention. Attention equals ad revenue, okay? And I'm just gonna break it down in a simple format to teach you how your attention using these three different Facebook setups equals money in their pocket, okay? So when you're using your personal profile, the people who are using a personal profile are consumers, okay? These are people who let social media use them versus the other way around, okay? These are the people who scroll endlessly, mindlessly, see what, people that they went to high school with 30 years ago are up to, and they just get sucked in, and Facebook is winning because they have their attention. They are sucked in and staying on their platform, okay? So Facebook likes this because it keeps people on their platform, which is why businesses would pay for ads in the first place, okay? Now, over here for the business page, Facebook only makes money here when you pay for ads. That's why your content won't get a high reach organically, okay? Because when you have a business page, Facebook's main goal is to get your money for paying for ads, okay? In professional mode, this is a win-win. This keeps creators and consumers on their platform. So Facebook likes this because more people on the platform for a longer period of time equals more ad revenue. So you can see in the three different examples, all of it boils down to they want the most attention possible from the most people possible for the longest amount of time possible to equal the highest amount of ad revenue. That is just how social media works in a nutshell. Like, that is the business model of social media. They want attention so they can get ad revenue. That's it. So now you know the importance of professional mode, so go turn it on. How? Let me show you. Okay, so here we are inside of my Facebook profile, which I have turned on to professional mode. So all you do is go to the main page of your personal profile. You're gonna click on these three little dots right here. And when you scroll down, mine says turn off professional mode because I already have mine turned on. But if you do not have the setting turned on yet, yours will say turn on professional mode. So that's all you do. You just click this button. Okay? It's as simple as that. And then that will give you access to business tools like a dashboard. So right here, you can see view tools. You can see your reach, your engagement, new followers, all sorts of stuff. In this video, I'm not going to dive into how to use this dashboard, but until you actually have money in the bank and actually have an established business, use your profile in professional mode. Simple as that.